don't eat the baby. We want to keep her.
I was just nibbling.
Now, how does she taste?
She tasted like a watermelon.
Sweet and juicy.
Yeah, she tasted like a mango.
Mango on her cheeks? And what about her feet?
It tasted like stinky tiny tiger.
A stinky tiny tiger?
Uh-huh.
What? Alright, what about her hands?
Sweet mango.
Sweet mango. And her fingers?
Tasted like sweet baby rain.
Sweet baby rain? Are you serious?
Yeah.
You funny boy. Oh man, you are something.
Mama, I see.